Well, a little bit of a messy backdrop for this video because I have some other projects in the way, but I thought I'd tear apart these Cisco modules. Got an X2-10GB-LR and an X2-10GB-SR. And these are fairly similar in design, so I'm guessing the only difference is going to be the power of the lasers in them, since I believe the SR and LR is referring to the range, but I could be wrong. Just have to take a quick look. It's not obvious, but yeah, let's crack this open and see what's inside. So this is the SR one. Something's holding me up here. I think this little sleeve on the front is preventing me from splitting this apart. How are you attached? Don't know. I could pry it apart till it cracks. I find it hard to believe that this EMI shield would be stopping me from getting it apart. Yeah, that's right. It's the little mechanism that helps you release it, I think, is what's holding me up. No. No, there were. No, those weren't. Huh, I don't understand how that works. Oh well. That's a really fancy, assuming it's cast aluminum. It's really light. But heat sinking, basically. Single screw holding on the PCB and a little thermal transfer pad. Probably should do that over a trash can. Also, these little side retention arms appear to also be aluminum. Little spring there. And let's pull out the lasers. I'm going to peel that thermal pad off over the trash real quick. It's really weird how it's really crumbly, but there's the module. Crystal oscillator, another thermal pad, and the little guides for the laser fell off. Lasers are attached with, or well, I guess one's a laser and one's a receiver, but they're attached with little flat flex cables, not wires. I don't know if it's going to be possible to make that readable. You know, if I rub my dirty finger across it enough, the dust is transferred over. But I'll crack open the other one now. This one has 3 screws. And this is the LR version. Also a nice cast aluminum casing. Presumably for heat seeking purposes, since my understanding is these optics do require some power and generate some heat. Oh, I gotta cut off the EMI shielding. Let's find a spot to get to it. Stuff stuck on a little better. There we go. Interesting. This has a thermal pad on it that has a more solid feel to it. And there's a little release mechanism. Same deal. Spring-loaded cast aluminum arms for the locking bits. The laser module and receiver module for this one's a little fancier. Aluminum. Looks like about the same amount of pins though. And I'm going to take off the thermal pad of the LR one. And we'll see if I can turn on my flashlight without dropping the phone. It's precariously balanced on this little stand that I use for recording these. There's the two modules. You can almost see the model number. Rub my dirty fingers across it. Maybe that'll make the letters really pop. There we go. Totally different brand. Aluros? Interesting. The chips on this are a lot smaller. Kind of hard to get stuff to focus though. But yeah, that's what's inside. Looks like the LR one's a little bit more involved, has some more chips on it. Unless it's just a older model where they couldn't integrate more of this into one chip. But yeah, hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.